Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. I'm here at One Stop Tire Center. You know me, guys, like I give you guys the real. I don't hide nothing. You know how some people, they don't show you the good, bad, and the ugly. So I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gonna give you guys a warning. But before we get into this video, go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. So all right, we're gonna get into it. So went to the dealership, got my oil change. They like, you need some tires, definitely in the front. And you know, I'm thinking dealership, I'm like, blah, 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 whatever. I'm driving to work. Actually, I'm driving last night. The car started making a noise. I get out, I check it. I don't see nothing. So I'm driving the day to work. So I hear the noise again. I pull over on the side of the road, turn my wheel, and I'm down to the wiring in the tires, guys. So it's very, very important that you check your tires always to see what's going on, see your tread wear, make sure you're good. I mean, I got 21,000 miles out of these tires. I got a slight camber on my car due to the fact that it was lowered on the H&R springs. So remember, when you lower your car, get in alignment, but make sure you're checking your wheels often to see your tread wear. Once he take one of these wheels off, guys, I'm gonna let you see it so you guys can see what I'm talking about as far as being down to the wires. So stay tuned. I'll get you on camera, matter of fact. What's your name?
Chris.
Y'all see him, man. Chris, man, he taking care of Raven, man. As you guys see, she is super dirty. Look at that. Ooh, that's disgusting. He got her jacked up. Yeah, she all jacked up.
Sir.
I need to wash this thing. She due for a wash. I haven't washed it since my little car event I went to. But yeah, guys, like I said, I keep it real. I keep it honest with you. So I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, the ugly. And like I said, pay attention to your tires. I know you guys been wanting to know what tires I was gonna go with on the car, because you know they come with the Pirelli P0s, super trash. I call them the glass slippers. You sliding all over the road. So what I went with, guys, is a square setup. I went with 315 in the front, 315 in the rear, and I went with the Nitto 555 G2s in the front, and then the Nitto NTO5 Rs in the back, you know, the street radio. So we gonna see how this thing hook. Hopefully she hook and book like I know she will. I had the Nitto 555 G2 Rs on my Scatpack, but I took them off. They the ones that had the tire stickers on it. I took them off, and I just went to the 555 G2s just to give it better traction, you know, for the winter time and things like that. Plus it rained a lot over there in Seattle, so you know I had to freaking make sure my wife was good with the traction. So I just got those instead of buying a new set of R's. So she don't need all that. She ain't going that fast. But me, you know, I had to go with the NTO5s. I was gonna go with the 555 G2 R2s, but I wanted to try something different and go with the NTO5s. So we're gonna see how they perform. Anybody wanna run up on me on the streets, you know, out here in Maryland, you know I'm down for the smoke. So only when I'm solo though. If I got my family with me, man, you see me out in the streets, I ain't doing it. I'm not going fast, I'm not speeding, I ain't doing nothing there. So catch me solo. But as you guys can see, the weather is beautiful out here. Super sunny, super nice. I'm in a t-shirt. Just got off of work. So I'm out here and just getting Raven worked on. These tires are bad, guys. I'm gonna show you the rear. I'm gonna show you guys the rear. This thing, bro, that's horrible.
Tires?
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that. Look how flat that is.
I think you only had a mile left.
You think so?
Like a mile left.
You think so?
Maybe.
Let you guys see this side. Look at that. Oh, that's bad. I want you guys to really see the front though. The front is real bad. So it's down to the wiring. That was flapping against my car last night. Underneath. I just want them to see that front wheel. That thing is bad.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Look at that. Y'all see that, guys? Don't do that. Like, how does this even happen though?
It's just running the toes out, so the tire is running a lot on this side more than the other because of the rest of the tire.
I mean, is it a reason behind that? I think I got a...
once you put your springs on,
it
took it out of factory specs.
Okay.
So then you had to get it, you know, aligned right after you put the springs. Anytime you touch the suspension and you put like an aftermarket, it's not gonna be as normal, you know. So you gotta get a like alignment or anything.
Okay.
On it, yeah. Because you dropped it a lot. Like it's on the ground, I don't know, man.
I mean, she's sitting a little low. Man, as you guys can see, man, that was terrible, man. That thing is split. The wheel is split on the inner part. So the right side is even worse. The right side is real bad. So once he take that one off, I'm gonna let you guys see that one too. I think that one had a piece of the wiring flapping. So that was hitting underneath my car. So like I said, guys, pay attention to your tires, man. It's important. I'm definitely gonna try to get an alignment here in the next couple days, just to make sure that these tires wear properly, so we won't have this happen again. I could have swore I got an alignment when I lowered it, but knowing me, I probably thought I did something and I really didn't. So who knows? But this time, for certain, I'm gonna make sure that it gets in alignment. So stay tuned, guys. There go the rears right here. I should have burnt these off. What you guys think? You think I should have did a huge burn out and finish them off? How smooth that is. That's from that intro burnout. It's the other front one I was talking about. Look at that. It's real bad. All right, guys, we all done. Sheesh. You talking about tight?
Sorry, my bad.
It's all good.
See, this is what I like.
I know it looked way better.
Hey, would you do me a favor? Turn your wheels all the way.
All right, guys, right now the car is all done. I got it behind me, as you guys can see. I want to let you guys see what it looked like now and how doing 315 all around really fills out your wheel well. You guys are gonna see this in a second. It looked real good, and I can already tell a difference in the handling of it. Let these cars go by. All right, as you guys can see, just look at that. Oh yeah. He's barely clearing that. You guys see, I got the R's in the rear. But it looks good. Looks damn good. Step back. But no, the car looks sweet, man. It look real sweet. You know I'm gonna get on the highway. You guys know I'm about to jump on the highway and punch it a little bit and see what it feel like. But these guys did a great job at One Stop Tire Center. I'll put the link down below in the description so you guys can see where they're located. It's in Silver Spring, Maryland. And these guys did a great job, man. Shout out to Chris. Shout out to his brother. But stay tuned, we about to jump in the car. I didn't record it, guys, but I just punched it a little bit. And she hooked pretty good. It feels different. I can tell it feels way different with the 315s up front. Like, my steering feel locked in. Right now I got it in sport, everything except for traction. I got that in street. But yeah, she's gripping. Oh yeah, I ain't even brake traction right there. Oh yeah, she's gripping. I don't know if this is gonna take me on the highway or not, guys, but I want to get a nice little pull on the highway, just so I can feel the full thing. But it definitely, you know what it feels like right now with the 315s? It feel like I got rims on my car. Like, that's exactly what it feel like I got rims. But we looking good, we looking good. I don't want to scare people. B Woody intake, guys. Get that B Woody. Or I mean leg maker too, but I love my B Woody. I love hearing that whine. Get to a little stretch so I can hit it one time, hit it 2 times. Also be sure to get an alignment. I will be getting mine done on next week, preferably Monday. I should be getting it done. If I'm not working, I'm definitely gonna be getting an alignment done on Monday. Very, very important, guys. As you guys saw from the wear on my tires, it was bad. So make sure you get your alignment as soon as possible. But man, like, these people turn the corner, light's green. Don't you guys hate that? Like when people don't turn the corner when the light green? Yeah, I'm getting ready to get a highway. Get ready to get a nice little highway pull. Man, this car thing is super, super expensive, guys. I spent about, I want to say, what I spent? About $1,400 on these tires, I think. $1,400. So, I mean, that's a nice little chunk of change for some tires, I mean, but if you're getting all the wear out of it that I got, then it's no big deal. But people, I think these tires are rated at what, 30,000, I think? 25, 30,000, but you know how we drive in Hellcat, so none of our tires are gonna last. It's definitely not gonna last. Get on the beltway right now. We're not gonna go too crazy, we're just gonna go a little bit crazy. It's nice and sunny out. I don't want to get pulled over because I know they out here right now. They are out here. Bad boys, what you gone? I know I'm not posting a lot, guys, and I apologize for that, but I've been working a lot. But I'm trying to get it to where as though if I do vlog, I'm gonna try to do multiple vlogs in one day, so that way I'll be able to keep dropping content for you guys. So you won't just be waiting on me for my days off. Woohoo! Oh! She hugging and bucking. Dig that. I can dig that. Alright, that was in sport mode with the traction on straight. Let's go full sport mode. See if I can get one. About a 50 roll. That's probably a 52 or 100 right there. All right, guys, we back home. Just gonna wrap this one up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you got some information from it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.